Alright, it's been a while since I've done a building in Florida, so I know you guys are anxious. You might be able to hear in the background, they actually are starting to hang drywall on the second floor of this house. So let's talk about a little bit about electrical in this one. So we use Romex. It's kind of funny, part of me doesn't like Romex, like Ron says, it's like wiring with extension cords. But the upside is, down here with our hot and humid climate, conduit tends to rust and chafe wire. So we've got, see the Romex just running through up top, down walls, kind of sad. And the other thing is when they bundle, they really shouldn't bundle it because it's supposed to dissipate heat. And actually, that's all low voltage on that one, so that's all right. The two yellow wires are your 20 amps. So you can see how easy it is, right? You just bring all your extension cords down the wall. Right there, boom, done, right? Piece of cake. No need for bending pipe, not a lot of skill sets needed. You know, just some wire ties, you know, zip ties, all good to go. All right, I'll do another one here, plumbing in a minute.